Hello everybody, it's Ricky here. Today I will be showcasing you guys my desktop NixOS plus KDE Plasma. I've been using this setup for over a week now. I'm very satisfied with the result. Okay, so here's a simple showcase. This is the tiling, and then this is the launcher. I also have this full screen launcher, and then it's free flash, it's very good. And this is my bar, this is my docs, and this is the browser I use. It's called Helium. Okay, so let's get started. So first, go to your system settings and search up KDE scripts. You will see this get new button, press it, and then download either the Chronokite or Polonium. I don't know how to pronounce it, but whatever. Okay, I personally use this one because it's more of the hyperlink file, and I was using Arch with hyperlink before, so yeah, you can also use this if you like scrolling instead of tiling. Okay, so if you use Chronokite, then just I recommend use the binary tree layout or the spiral layout. These two are very good. You can also use the tile layout or I think this three is like the best. Okay. And for this one, this is my mainly used one, so I will talk more about this one. So in general, just get this to 12 pixel. I think the default is 10 or 12, I forgot. And then go to your engine. This one is this one will give you like the tailing. So I use binary tree and then insertion style, use Duingo, and then check this insert new windows in active tile. Okay. What this does is that it insert file like the windows in the current mouse placement you're on, and you might need to click up on it first. But here's a fix for that. Just in the search bar, search for focus, and then click Windows Behavior over. Okay, click Window Behavior, and then go to Focus, and then Window Activation Policy. Check focus follows mouse, and then delay focus set to 0 millisecond, and then like that. And now you will have a fully functional tiling manager inside KDE Plasma, which get you the exact same feel as hyperlink. And if you want no borders, go back to your KDE script and then go to the Windows, here borders, go no border or border floating only. Okay. And next up, go to the global theme here, and you can use whatever you want, but I will just tell you guys what I use. So for the colors, I use the Nordic Darker application style. I use Breeze Plasma styles. I use Nordic Darker window decoration. I use Bart icons. I use the I just use the default Breeze Dark. And pointers, I use the material cursor, system sound, default one. Splash screen, I use Minecraft world loading screen. And if you don't have this option inside here, you just need to press get new on each one and then select the one that you want. Here, for example, here, and yeah. And next up, the bar and the dock. So first I will be doing the top bar first. So this is like my default bar. So I just place a digital clock in the middle. So how to place in the middle is just add two spacer and then place it on each side. Okay, and press add or manage widget because we don't have a border now, so you need to press get new and search for window title fork in this place here. Okay, and then you also need global menu. I believe this is like default. If not, you can get it here. I don't know. So place the window title fork here and the global menu here, and rest you can whatever you want. Also, my recommendation, you can use the plus module instead of the application launcher or like application menu. Okay, after that's done, if this works in any distro, so you need to install an app called Fuzzel. For example, you're on Arch. I believe you just do this. I don't know if it's in the repository. Maybe like this or something. Okay, but I'm on Nix right now, so I will go in my configuration file and then scroll down to the system package place and then add this line called Fuzzel. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why when I type configuration.nix, it just automatically open that file, it's actually because I'm using the official and then go to the official config and then here at this line right here, which will automatically open this thing after you type this. You can also do the same with Flix. Okay, so now you got you after if you're using NixOS, after every time after you change the conf. Okay, after that you can just close it up and then go to system settings, search for shortcuts. You can add one for the console and then close Windows and then add new and then plus command or script and then command just type Fuzzel and then name it whatever you want to name. I just name Fuzzel. And then for a shortcut, you can use whatever you want. I use Metaspace. Okay, after that you need to create or edit the file. I don't know if it's already there. If not, you need to create this file inside the config folder and then Fuzzel and then create this called Fuzzel.ini. And then when you're inside here, you can just customize whatever you want. If you just want to you copy mine, I will paste. I will make it in the video description. Okay, so what that does is when you press the shortcut you just set, it will open this beautiful launcher. And yeah, why it's very good because like if I mistype this much, it still knows. For example, like it's just good, man. And also because like I'm lazy as freak, so I just use the lazy Vim distro in my neon Vim config. You can use the kickstart or like just build from scratch whatever you want, but I just use the lazy Vim. Maybe in the future I will try using kickstart. Okay, and next, if you want my clock to show like this, you just configure digital clock and then use this. Okay, and for the launcher, you just install. It's actually a full screen launcher, like combined with the Fuzzel one, it's very good. Okay. Next up, open system settings and then go to the animation, and then you can use this animation. If you're using the window tiling, you need to use fade. It's way cleaner than every other, even in the store one. Okay, and then I just use a speed 2 here. And for desktop effects, I use blur and then translucency, wobbly windows. What it does is this. And I also have cube. What is cube? When you press the Command plus C, which in other words is Windows key plus C, it will open this beautiful like cube thing, which you can select different desktop. Okay. Next, for the Kitty configuration for the Kitty blur, you just need to open or create this file here. I think you need to create it. I'm not gonna lie. And create or open it, and then change the opacity to 0.5, background blur to 1. This create this clean blur. And that's basically it for today. If you want more video in the air, you can subscribe to me and keep up the updates, my video updates. I will upload averagely around once a week or twice a week. And by the way, small sneak peek, in the next video I'll be trying out for the Linux. Bye.